First, I like to use this Skinfood Vitawater Stain Concealer. The coverage is not that thick, but good enough to cover my blemishes and dark circles of the eye. And I'll be using a clean sponge to blend the product on my skin. Product is easily blended on my skin since the consistency is not that thick. Too thick concealer may cause creasing on the skin. For eyebrow, I'll be using this Nichido eyebrow pencil in the shade Hazelnut and this Nichido tinted brow gel on the shade Brunette. I like how the eyebrow pencil looks natural on my skin and helps me in shaping my not so perfect brow. The brow gel will help clean the edges of my brow and also help creating the natural look. And I'll be using the same concealer to prime my eyelids. For the eyeshadow, I'm using this Detail Makeover Autumn Eyeshadow. Take the Aster shade as your base for easy blending of the colors. Apply it on your lid and crease area. Then take the Paisley shade to create the peachy color on the eyes. Apply it on the eyelid and a little bit on the crease. I am applying the product with my finger to get a more pigmented color. Then take a darker and glittery color and apply it on the eyelid area only. Make sure to blend the colors to avoid harsh lines. And also make sure to apply the same color of eyeshadow on the lower lash line. On the same palette, take the opal shade to draw the eyeliner. Using the eyeshadow as eyeliner will make the eyeliner appear more natural. And my favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline HyperCurl Volume Mascara, is just so perfect for my short lashes. It is waterproof and holds the curl on your lashes longer. For the blush, I'm using the Pink Street Organics Peach Spring Creamy Blushes and Tint. The color is just so perfect for our peachy look, and it looks natural and stays longer on my cheeks. It is also buildable, so you can put a multiple layer of the tint if you want a more pop-up color. As for powder, I'm using this Petal Velvet powder from Althea. This powder creates a little pinkish finish on my face and is also lightweight on the skin. Last step, I'm using the Biky lip tint from TonyMoly. What I love about this tint is that it makes my lips moisturized and not like other lip tints that is drying on the lips. You can apply it on the full lips or just in the inner areas for a gradient looking lip. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you do, please do like and subscribe.
Thursday.